this experiment is called bubble in a bubble experiment. For this experiment, you will need a straw, dishwash, a glass of water, a sugar, and a spoon. First, we're gonna put the sugar into the glass. 1 teaspoon only needed. Mix it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of dishwash. Mix it well. Now I'm going to put this here, a little bit here. Now you guys have to dip the straw into the mixture. We made the bubble in the bubble. You can see that there are 2 bubbles inside the giant bubble. This is the bubble inside the bubble experiment. You guys can also try this at home. This is a really simple experiment. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Bye. See you next time.